Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain SLT. The SLT is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine and made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the vehicle, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating. We have our height adjustable trunk release, heads-up display controls, and your lighting for the interior. We have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls. 12 kilometers on the vehicle, brand new. We have a large touchscreen with navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Dual zone climate control with heated front seating, your automatic shifter knob, heated seats, traction control, as well as your all-wheel drive system. All black interior with the upgraded Bose audio, and then our leather heated seating in the SLT Terrain. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Terrain SLT, we have the upgraded 19-inch wheel and tire package, beautiful blacked out alloy wheels with the Hankook Energy tires, color matched door handles with keyless entry, blacked out Terrain badging on the front door, as well as a black mirror cap and LED lighting with a camera system. Coming down to the front, LED daytime running lamps, turn signals and fog lights, front parking sensors, camera system, and the black GMC Terrain elevation grille. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows, blacked out window trim with as well as that SLT badging. At the rear, LED brake lights. We do have the LED reverse lights, parking sensors, camera system, and a height adjustable trunk release. Jumping into the interior of the GMC Terrain SLT, we have the second row leather 60/40 split, both end seats car seat ready. That 60/40 allows us to fold the seats nice and quick, giving us access to the trunk of the vehicle. Super large trunk of the Terrain with over-top LED lighting and a massive dual-panel sunroof, light-colored headliner, as well as we have dual USB charging ports in the back of the center console and a 12-volt AC outlet. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Terrain. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.